What's up, you guys? It's your girl Boss Lady coming back with another video. So in this video, basically you're watching me getting my office back together. I just packed up some orders and I don't like a mess, so I decided to just cut the camera on and give y'all a little video of me getting this office all together. I really hope y'all enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. 우리 취향은 너무나 달라 머리부터 발끝까지 힙한 스타일 너는 좀 단정한 애 같아 나를 만나고서 달라져 힙한 말투를 따라하는 게 cute like pie 동그란 볼살은 빵 같아 I don't know about a lot of things 아직도 I'm young and free All these girls still talk to me on IG but 관심 없지 Cause you got that yellow skin 햇살에는 하얀 skin 만질래 so come and sit 내 차 안에서 하자 kiss 한색의 바디 안에 숨겨놓은 line 나의 only one 바지를 내려놔 우리 엄마가 들으면 안 되지만 네가 들으면 해서 난 라임을 따 이번 여름에 마셨던 술은 다 너를 보기 전에 니나 버디카 내년 여름에 나 피냐콜라다 내 옆에 피냐콜라다 I go sippin' 너의 피부색처럼 drippin' 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 오니 모습에 나는 trippin' 나는 trippin' 자기야 나를 좀 봐봐 아무리 그래도 취하면 곤란해 드링크에 피나콜라다 맘에 안 들어도 마지막 자리야 잠시만 나가서 걷자 오늘이 아마도 여름의 마지막 밤이야 지나갈 따스함 조금은 가슴에 담고서 우리의 추억을 만들자 I'm so fucking honest 매일 감성적이야 왜 미리 너는 몰라 인스타 감성 따위 다 먹은 또 아니지 뻔한 이야기를 하려는 게 아니라 I just wanna talk about you 올리는 게 아니라 말하고 싶어 I love you 말하고 싶어서 love you 다시 한 번 더 I love you 여름에 끝자락에 내게 말해 내일도 나는 아니 영원을 I promise you 다시 한 번 더 I love you 그 웃음에 나는 fall in love with you 알코올이 빛보석처럼 dripping yeah, yeah. 핸드폰에 비친 yeah, 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 yeah. HEE 파블로 ID 검색창에 내 이름을 기입해 모노폴리시 이름이 많이 나 그녀의 가슴 뽕처럼 나는 너의 많이 떠 인생은 템빨 좋은 차 좋은 집 I just wanna be a multi-millionaire block I just wanna be a multi-millionaire block 나이가 가운데 너머로 유해 사이트는 부모장 걸려 너와 나 사이에 불타는 벽이 이루어질 수 없기에 더욱 아름다운 것내 IP를 다른 주소로 바꿔서 다시 너에게로 가는 창문 열어 그런데도 나는 너를 볼 수가 없어 국가적으로 또 우리 사이를 걱정해 매일 밤 그리는 넌 나의 꿈 헤어날 수 없는 파도 같은 너의 봄난 널 만날 거야 언젠가는 이름밖에 모르지만 우린 조금 다른 뭔가 있는 듯해 너는 사올 때 날 싶은데 할까 이런 나의 마음 Is this love? 할까 이런 나의 마음 We don't gotta fuck You can be on the other side Maybe we can meet But hey You know what I mean I'm just tired of all this bullshit I just wanna love We don't gotta fuck You can be on the other side Maybe we can meet But hey You know what I mean I'm just tired of all this bullshit I just want it real Alright guys, so you just seen me clean up my area. Well, really not well, clean up my area. So I decided to show y'all. That sounded so country. My little corner. I have
my desk and stuff coming, so this will be changing. So I decided to do a little update before I change it again. It's like, I don't know. I just moved here, so I'm trying to get the feel of having my office in one room now. So, like, yeah, y'all have to get with me. But right here is my computer cart. So I got my printer and my scale, some packages that need to melt off, and then my desktop, which needs to be cleaned. And then you come over here, and it's my desk area. See, like, I don't like the black because it stains, so I have like a glass desk coming, so it'll be so much better. But on this shelf, I just have my wholesale boxes, and then that's just like a box. And then I got some computer paper and my notebooks and stuff down here. Right here is just some orders that I'm working on that need to get done. So I really have nothing on my desk. And then you come right here. And then these two cups, this whole pencils and stuff in them. And then I have these little sampler packs on my website. So you use YouTube and you get 10% off. You want to try my lip glosses. So the first one is like completely a junk drawer, so I don't want to go in there. And then in here is my wand tube that I have. And then my squeeze tube. And then in here is all of my hand sanitizers. And then my butt load of crunchy, puff balls. And then down here is all of my point tracers. And then you get this little organizer right here. Then up top I just have some decorative things, and then my grandma. And then these are my travel suitcase lash bundles. And then my empty suitcases. And then you get to this drawer, I have some of my pre-made gloss jars. And then right here, I just have some resin guns that needs to be added to keychains. And then in here, these are some of my bundles that I have on my website. So this is like my lipstick bundle. And then I have like lip gloss bundles, and then I got some more bundles down there. And then in here I have some more hand sanitizers, which I'm thinking about wholesaling. Like, these are so cute, guys. So if you have a little kid that wants to start a business, hit your girl up, because they ain't nothing but $5. Use your 10% and it will be less than $5. You can't beat that. So I just have some pre-packaged hand sanitizers. And then right here is some other bundles that I have on my website. And then down here, this is all of my lips gloss supplies, like my oils and tubes and all that stuff. And then this is just a junk basket. And then you come right here, and I just have this organizer, which has like my stickers that I give out in orders, business cards, thank you cards, and stuff like that. And then this drawer right here is all of my scrunchies. And then these is my lashes. And then down here is all of my keychains. Then this is my shipping cart. So I have my tissue paper down here. And then in this basket I have like my freebies that I give out. These bags are for pickup orders. And then I have my mailers. And then these are like my decorative little bags. And then candy that I give out with my orders. So this is what my office is looking like now. Like I said, I'm getting another desk and some different organizers because I don't know. I just want my room to, it feels like it's cluttered, but it's really not. And it's like super organized. But I think these organizers that I'm getting is going to knock out one of these shelves. So instead of having two, I'm going to have one and then my two organizers. And then this black and pink thing will probably go to my daughter. And then, so y'all will see because it's going to be cute. But this is what I have so far. This is what I'm working with. Um, Super organized. I have a lot of stuff coming for my brand. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching.